What's up, guys? Today is September 28th, trading recap. I kind of noticed that we are just starting to do a trend switch on the 60-minute, 6:30 in the morning here, 1 hour before the market opens. We have a strong uptrend on the 15 here. Got that switch up there. It's looking very bullish. We got an uptrend on the 5. We got an uptrend on the 1. My entry is on the 30-second chart. We're breaking new highs. And it's all about putting the right amount of contracts on the right setups here. So I see that, hey, we're bouncing off a bottom here, a very low 3614 here. And, we've pretty much found some momentum here as we're getting, out of this lows here and heading back up. And we got to recognize that, we are trading at really, really lows. So expect lots of bouncing. We have lots of people thinking that, hey, we're going to crash. We have lots of people thinking, hey, we're going to bounce. And so it is a dogfight here between the bears and the bulls. And so I'm like, hey, you know what? It's my high profitable setup. We're going to be calling these high profitable setups here, where we've got, our longer time frame charts are, strong, and they're all pointing in the same direction here with the strong green line, strong green here. So we get a yellow on our 30-second and our 1 minute. And so I put my stop loss in, because when I have strong green lines on the bigger time frame charts and we're coming off of lows, I want to give the stock some space to kind of play, but I also don't want to lose my shirt. And so I got my stop loss in here. I can see that my 30-second stop loss line is pushing up. I want to see my my 1 minute stop loss green line also join the party to the upside. I'm pushing up my stop loss here because we're also trading at the top of the channel here of the 5, the 15. We get a nice push here. I'm following up with my stop loss here and just pushing it up. And we are breaking new highs for the pre-market for the 28th. This is great bullish momentum here. You can see I got 5 contracts of the micros, and I'm up $75 here, and this can actually continues to kind of push even more, which is pretty awesome. And so this is a great play for me. I think I walk away with a good chunk here, a good piece of the pie. And yeah, let's see this play out here. There it is. Move the stop loss right above my entry. So this is an automatic win. We get more momentum showing up, pushing up here. I'm up 125 here. And I'd say that's all for the ride. I'll take it. I took that exit because we started pulling back a lot strong off that 30-second. I didn't like it. And so here's the next trade here. I see it setting up again. I put in this, perfect set, the high profitable setup here. Green. Put in the right amount of contracts here. I got 5. And then it begins to surge because we came out of this channel here. So I actually played this one all the way up here and then got back in here, and you'll see that this is pushing as well, because these are breaking out of, trading sideways, and then we get the breakout here. So very strong bullish mentality here. 152, 158. Finger on the trigger. I decided to put in my stop here just in case it surges back down, because that was a very quick up. I move up my stop loss a lot tighter because we are getting a lot faster move to the upside. And, you got to put that stop loss in there a lot tighter, because this is also our second push as well. And so got that tight stop loss in there. Up 171 and 200, 190. We're pushing very strong, very high profitable setup here. 250. Wow. 270. Wow. What's going on here? Oh, okay. I'm pulling up my stop loss. Got the finger on the trigger there. This is a great play. I mean, holy smokes. Yeah, maybe I need to start selling when it gets up like 250 area. Like, yeah. Oh, there you go. I sold. I was like, man, hopefully I sold. So here's an example of a downside play here. We are kind of trading topside. I put in a domino effect here, So we're trying to catch this downtrend move. and then hopefully it trickles over to the 1 and then the 5, because the reason why is because we're trading at the top of these channels here. We just had 2 very strong pushes. Hopefully I can catch a nice little downside move here. And so I get my my order filled here. I have my stop in and I want to push my stop here. I want to hope that we don't, I want to catch the upside breakout too here, because we have good patterns here. We're trading sideways and then breakout. So I have 2 on my buy stop here. And so if it pushes up above here, what we'll do is we'll get filled, and then we'll also we'll get stopped out of this loss here, and then we'll pick up a buy to the upside. And so here we are. We hit a nice push down here. I got my finger on the trigger because our bigger time frame charts are still green. $20. I move it down, tight stop loss. Then I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot. I got to change my my order number from 2 to 1. I do that really quickly, just in time, because we had a pretty strong move to the downside here. I got to protect the gains. There's the yellow, and I'm out. All right, guys, that's the recap for the day. The rest of the day was small plays here and there, little base hits throughout the day. I actually ended up I stopped trading about 9 o'clock my time, and went out and spent some time with my family. And that's what it's all about here. End of the day, green, great profitable setups, high profitable setup showed up, put the right contracts in, made the money that I wanted to make for today, and said, peace out. Didn't get too greedy, just followed my plan here. And that's the message for today. Put the right amount of contracts on the high profitable setups. Have a great day, everybody. Make sure you guys comment. Let me know what you guys liked about the video, and looking forward to share a recap tomorrow.